thought it was just me. I thought when I placed the trade and the market went up, I thought I was moving the market. Yeah, your girl thought she had that much power. So what's going on, guys? It's your girl Carnesha Johnson, also known as Miss Hazel J, coming to you with my very first video of 2025. I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel for a while now. I actually started YouTube a couple years ago, but I was just never consistent. So this is my time to come back around and start this again. So if you guys seen the title and you guys are ready to just get into what I'm about to spill to you guys, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss what's gonna happen next, because the knowledge that I'm about to give you guys is really gonna take you guys to the next level.
Please, Lord, let my brain work.
And I also named my channel Her Money Mindset because I feel like as I've been getting older, I feel like, I'm really stepping into my womanly role in life. So I'm ready to give back just the knowledge that I learned over the years on how you guys can not only level up your mindset, but how you can level up your finances.
Fucking money!
So I know for a fact that this is going to be something that can help somebody out there. So with that being said, y'all, let's go ahead and get into it. So I really want to make this video like a conversation. Start talking all formal and stuff. It's not relatable. If you guys want to sit down, go get you a drink, go get you, your coffee, your tea, your wine, whenever you're at the time that you're watching this video, I want you guys to really tap in with me because I'm going to take you guys on a journey of how I first started investing to where I am now and the knowledge that I know now that I wish I would have known sooner. I definitely want to start, just building a community of women who want to work together to just level up themselves. I feel like when you're on that level up journey, you can really start to feel a little bit lonely, if I should say. When you're on a journey of becoming better, you're on a journey to level up your finances, it can sometimes feel a little lonely. You're coming into that season in your life, you're gonna ask yourself like, man, I wish I had someone to be there with me. I wish I had a coach or a mentor. Or you can just think of me as one of your good friends giving you the tea, giving you the sauce, okay? So y'all, let's go ahead and get into it because I know you guys are waiting to get to the sauce on what is Forex, because I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I never knew what Forex was until the year of 2020. There was a lot of things going on during that year. A very uncertain time for a lot of people. And for me, I was actually becoming a new mom. I was one of those people that didn't want to work a job. I kind of wanted to just work from home. So that was a side hustle. I didn't really have a vision on what I wanted to do. I just knew I needed an income and I knew I had bills just like everybody else. That's when I actually started doing research and I actually started seeing investing, and I actually got recommended to a community that was teaching people the skill set of trading. That's why the title of this video is What is Forex, because I want to start educating you guys on the things that I learned that I wish I would have learned if I was in my younger 20s. This is information that if you weren't born into a wealthy family, you probably would not hear this information. You actually have to be seeking this information. So let's get into it. What is Forex? Forex is short for the foreign exchange market. What is the foreign exchange market, right? It is the global decentralized market, $6 trillion going through it a day. Guys, that's a lot of zeros, okay? So with that being said, it let me know that this was not, a small market, which means that there were other participants that were actually participating in this. So I know you're gonna ask, who's participating in this market? Because first, I thought it was just me. I thought when I placed the trade and the market went up, I thought I was moving the market. Yeah, your girl thought she had that much power. But no, I was actually placing the trade with other participants as well. And so other people that actually participate in the market is like, bank institutions like Chase, Bank of America, all the big banks, who else? Commercial banks, hedge funds, different institutions participate in this market. So a lot of the information that I'm probably going to share with you guys is probably knowledge that you already knew, or this may be your first time hearing this information. When the banks were actually, trading your money, that's when I knew for a fact that I need to be participating in this as well and making money the same way the banks do. So with that being said, that's when I actually started educating myself more on how the Forex market actually works. It works by when you're exchanging different countries' currencies. And sometimes, those factors are driven by political data, different things that's happening in the world, just like how we had an inauguration. It drove up the market, and the market only goes two ways. It goes up and it goes down. When it goes up, we buy, and when it goes down, we sell. Start to see that this is not how the stock market works, because I'm a little familiar with stocks, but I wasn't participating. I started to see that this was very different. When it comes to the stock market, you're actually putting your money into a company, hoping it does well, and if it does, you get a return on your investment. If it doesn't, you lose your investment. But when it comes to the Forex market, you're making money whether the market goes up or where it goes down. You just got to know the right time to get in. That's when I started learning from our community, who's actually partnered with a company called Eovia, who's actually servicing our different courses and just having live trading sessions, putting it all together for our community. I actually started to say, you know what, I want to form a community or a cohort of individuals who want to take advantage of the same resources that I got access to. Really, when it comes to the Forex market, understand that there are a lot of people around the world who are learning this skill set, and you don't have to be a guru. You don't have to be an expert to learn this. I thought I was going to have to be, super smart, or I thought I was going to have lots of money to be able to start this. But, the startup fees are really low, and then you can be a beginner and still be able to profit off of this market. And you start to see that when the market goes up and you place a trade, you can be able to make money, or quote unquote profit. We have in our community, we have different signals that you can take advantage of. That way, while you're learning, right, the information, you can also be taking advantage of the signals. And that's how I learned. I learned to see, like, all right, if I'm making money off these signals, then how can I become the signal? Because I don't want to wait on signals all day. I want to be able to make money whenever I want. And so the signals actually helped me to be able to recognize different entries and different exits. I wasn't actually relying on my own knowledge. I was relying on the signals. But you can be able to become your own signal. So guys, I'm super excited to be able to show you guys our community as well. So you guys can actually come on in so you guys can see how you can be able to, start to learn this for yourself. Because I know for a fact that when I came in here as a brand new mom, who wanted to work from home, I'm like, how many other moms would want to do that? Right? How many people grew up, in a family who did not teach them a lot about financial literacy, about how to manage their finances? That was one of my biggest things that I had to learn when it came to trading, which was how to manage my money. I knew how to make money, but when it came to managing it, that's where I had the most problem, because I was never taught how to do it. So guys, super exciting stuff that I'm going to be bringing to this channel. And we're not just going to be talking about money again. We're going to be talking about the mindset. We're going to be doing beauty. We're going to be doing all the things on how, women can just level up together. So guys, if you want to see more, again, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.